My name is Brandy. I'm the 100 Proof Quilter, and this is my quilting corner. Today, I have a special surprise. Today, I am unboxing my Cricut. I went with the Cricut that can cut fabric. So I got the Cricut with the rotary blade and the fabric mat. So I also got the Cricut everything. So I've been waiting extra amount of time because we have some shipping issues. Let's get some more light over here. Ooh, that might be too much light. There were some delays due to weather. So this is the Cricut Plus Everything box. But here's the Cricut. And we're going to go ahead and get right to it. Included in this one, I went with the Cricut Maker versus the Cricut Maker 3 because the Cricut Maker 3 has all that smart vinyl and stuff, and I didn't think I needed all of that for the projects that I wanted to do. So I just went with the Cricut Maker, and included in this box is, of course, the Cricut, and I went with blue, the rotary blade, the fine point blade, the fine point pen black, the fabric grip mat 12 by 12, the lightweight grip mat 12 by 12, the booklet, the USB cable, the power adapter, the free trial of Cricut Access. But I went ahead and got the subscription. I think it was $9.99 a month so that I could have unlimited access. I am not an affiliate, but I will drop all the link and information in the description box below. It says 50 free ready-to-make projects, including 25 sewing projects. And materials for a practice project are in this box. And then, like I said, I got the Plus Everything box, and we'll open that one as well. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. I did cut the tape so that we could get it open quicker. But I have not opened anything else. So you are seeing it when I am seeing it. So this is how it says. Let's get started. All right. So this is the top box. And let's see what's in here. Materials for your first project. So it looks like I have my little rotary blade. And the welcome book are in here. So that's the power cable, the pin, the housing unit. So we're going to set this aside. And this says materials for your first project. Aha. So we'll see what that is. All right. And let's set that aside. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Let's set those aside. All right, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to set this in front here. Let's get the power cable. We'll set that up front. And these are the two mats that we got. Depending on what all projects I use, I may end up getting bigger mats, but for now, those are what we have. Okay. Whew. All right. Now, as you all know, my space is a tiny space. You actually see the full circle of my actual quilting corner. This is really just a corner. So, let's open this up. Isn't it beautimous? It's a beautiful blue. Blues are one of my favorite colors. Look at that. Right out of the box. Okay. Let me get my little... All right. Look at this. Is this not adorable? Now, mind you, I have no idea how to use this thing. I am learning at the same time as you guys. So, I have lots to learn. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, I've been watching videos forever. Just to learn how to do all this stuff. I know that I've got a storage stuff in here. I know that's a load and unload button. That's to make my stuff, to pause, power. I can put my tools in here. So, this plugs in back here. I actually have Studio hooked up on both my tablet and my phone. So this is the regular mat for the vinyl. And this is, oops, and this is the fabric mat. Goodness, goodness. And I don't know where that thread came from. All right. So, I got the rotary blade. I have one pin. That is a connection cable. A how-to book. So, and then of course my first project it says. Alright. So, welcome. So it tells us what the tools are. And a premium fine point blade plus housing. That must be what's already in here. Oh, there it is. See, I was like, how did that work? There's nothing in there. But look. There it is. Can you see that? Alright. Alright. Then we went over the two mats. The USB, here's a USB cable adapter, and then like I said, I have it set for to set up on my tablet and my oops, I'm throwing stuff around. So this is supposed to, oops, so once we open this up, this goes on the rotary blade. Housing. Like, oops. There it goes. Alright. And then the pin. Now, so this is what we got in the box. This is all that the box comes with, which is still great, but let's move this aside and let me show you what I got. It had a deal, and I got a plus everything with it. And this is the plus everything. Let's leave this here. Throw stuff around. So, I got the portable trimmer. I got all the tools. See right side up here. I got all the tools. It comes with a little spatula, the weeder, the scraper, the scissors, and the tweezers. Then we've got the little my brain isn't working. The little knife. We also have a scoring stylus. Okay, so then we have additional pins to go with it. Now, then we have our vinyl. So we have dry erase vinyl and chalkboard vinyl. We have transfer tape, which I understand I will need a lot of, or there are different hacks for that. I've seen all of that. Here's some premium vinyl. This is stencil vinyl. I got adhesive foil. Some of this stuff I have no idea what the use is for, because I'll be honest with you, like I said, this is a new thing for me. This is iron-on foil. Then we got everyday iron-on. Then we have some cardstock. And we have some foil poster board. And we have some other cardstock. It looks like it's some glitter cardstock. And we have a variety pack of light grip matte, strong grip matte, standard grip matte. So I have 3 different mats in here with a light grip, a strong grip, and a standard grip. So now I have 5 total mats. Looks like I have 2 of the light grip mats. Now I also have a strong grip mat and a standard grip mat and the fabric mat. And that is all of the box that's everything I have in here now. So, it actually ended up being a really good deal. All in all, because I also got the discount. I caught it while they had a sale going on, and I did the access, the design studio access. I got an additional 10% discount, and then I got free shipping. It totaled $281 because I got it on sale. So with the plus everything bundle, I got all of this for $281. Not a bad deal. And I have some projects in mind. So come back and see what I do. My first project, I have a shirt in mind to go with my channel name and stuff. I have a cup in mind. So come back and see me and see what I do with all of this stuff. And as I always say, even though today is not fabric per se related, go out there, find some gorgeous fabrics, marry some beautiful seams, make some fabulous quilts, and we'll see you next time.